We turned up the amperage. We were trying to use these garbage 7018s. I've never been able to get these to weld for nothing. Get the phone in here. And if I can stand out of the way, you guys will be able to see it. Shut the welder off. I don't know. Alright. So let's see what we got. I don't expect much. Let me pause this. So, this is why I hate these rods. I know they're stronger. They always end up with a weld that looks like shit. And it's hard to get the slag off of them. So, let's see if I can zoom out. So, that right there, that one, and that one, and that one. We're done with this inverter welder earlier today, 6013. This is 6013 with the Miller. Well, this is 7018 with the Miller and a little bit higher current. So, and then the other stuff's just practice stuff from a long time ago. Oh, and down here is where the inverter actually burned through. So, anyway, that's just this one here. Now, this one here is even more refined as far as smoothness on DC, but it's not really necessary. I'm not going to need to weld anything that big. Anyway, thanks for watching.